Okay, can I just say something crazy?
I love crazy.
All my life has been a series of doors in my face. And then suddenly I bump into you.
I was thinking the same thing. Because, like, I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. And maybe it's the party talking or the chocolate fondue.
But with you,
I found my place.
I see your face,
and it's nothing like I've ever known before. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open door.
With you,
With you,
with you,
with you.
love is an open door.
Can I say something crazy? Will you marry me?
Can I say something even crazier? Yes!
Tale as old as time, true as it can be. Barely even friends, there's somebody bends unexpectedly.
Just a little change, small to say the least. Both a little scared, neither one prepared. Beauty and the Beast, ever just the same, ever a surprise. Ever as before, and ever just as sure as the sun will rise. Oh, oh, oh. Can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are.
It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far.
Can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are.
It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best.
Now's your moment, floating in a blue lagoon. But you better do it soon, no time will be better. She don't say a word, and she won't say a word until you kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, don't be scared, you got the moves prepared. Go on and kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, don't stop now, don't try to hide it how you wanna kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, float along and listen to the song. The song say kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la, the music play. Do what the music say. You gotta kiss the girl. You gotta kiss the girl. Kiss the girl.
She's been dreaming of a true love's kiss, and a prince she told me comes with this. That's
come with